Hello guys, welcome to another video on how to do it. On today's video we are gonna see how to debloat Windows 11. So if you're tired of all the applications that are pre-installed on the Windows 11 system, I'm going to show you how to eliminate it. It's gonna be a tool that you can download easily from GitHub. So I discovered this tool and it's pretty efficient. I have tried it myself. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, let's start debloating our Windows 11. So if you want me to show you my tray of apps, I got nothing on it. So I got only the essentials for me. So I got debloated my computer. So basically, in order to do that, we are gonna go to this link right here, and you can do it on the link that I'm gonna leave on the description. So I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna open Google Chrome, paste it, and here is all the information of the application that we are gonna be using. And it says everything you need to know in order to install it and deploy your Windows 11. This is a third-party application, so it's not a Microsoft official, but it's really good and I recommend it for real. So basically, um, this link you can find it on the page before too, and I'm gonna run it. So you have to run it on your terminal or PowerShell. So we are going to open our PowerShell by right-clicking the Windows menu, and we are gonna run it as administrator. The other thing we can do is type here PowerShell, right click it and run it as administrator. We click yes. So on this window right here, we are going to copy this link. So right click, copy, and right click right here, and it's gonna paste automatically. Then we press enter. Okay, we wait for it. So it's going to give you a welcome. Yeah, the app is called WinHands, and it's gonna walk you a step on how to deploy it and what apps to eliminate. So basically, we click OK, and it's gonna load for you. We can close this window right here. So it's gonna load, and we wait for it, and it's really good actually. It had my computer lower, like I would say 1 gigabit of my RAM, which is good, and I don't have a lot of applications, so I'm gonna make it bigger. So we got all the options, all the apps that we wanna erase. So I would say to only erase the one apps that you don't use a lot. So in my case, I did a lot of erasing. I just kept my camera, my photos, but other than that, if you select all of them, it's gonna be alright to do it. But keep in mind that so I was saying you won't have them installed, but this app gives you the option to reinstall the applications. So this is a good option if you wanna reinstall it again. So you can optimize your settings and you can customize the app. So the only thing you have to do is to click on remove apps and press yes, and you should have them remove them. So I don't want to go really deep into it. I just wanted to show you the app that you can use for the bloating, and how I showed you before. If we go to my apps tray, you won't have anything. The only apps that you want to keep, you can have them. So if you want to go to the web page where I showed you at the beginning, so this web page right here, um, it should explain very good what this thing can do, and it's really amazing because I really recommend it. So, well, that's all today. And if you like this video, please like it and then subscribe because I've been doing 3 videos and I haven't gotten any subscribers. But if you like the video, subscribe and I will see you on the next one.